Okay, so here's the problem. You're looking to do a virtual PPA for an offsite renewable energy deal, and you're looking for ways to make that more tangible to your stakeholders, your employees, your customers, et cetera, who are walking around your campus and going, where is this thing? I don't see it. I don't understand it. What's going on? So let me give you 4 quick tips for how to better convey that message and really bring it home for all your key stakeholders, what you're doing through a virtual PPA. Number one is to get the data and display it publicly, right? So, uh, renewable energy facilities should be able to connect you with near real time information about how much they're producing, meteorological conditions, outage information, et cetera. Figure out a way to get that data and then put it on display in a public place. Maybe it's online, maybe it's in your lobby as folks are walking in, but bring the data home for folks is tip number one. Number two, I would say to schedule some site visits. You should be able to negotiate that with your developer partners. They're used to site visits of all kinds. Bringing in additional stakeholders who would be interested in the functioning of those facilities is another way to really kind of connect the dots. Number three would be to see if you can figure out a way to name that facility after either your company or your corporate slogan, something like that. Developers, a lot of times, are open to that if you address that proactively during the contracting stage. You can name the facility after your company and, again, really kind of connect those dots. And then the fourth piece of advice is to match what you're doing offsite with what you're doing on site. So look for ways to connect your corporate campuses with on-site solar. Not something that's an option in all circumstances, but something that you can explore. Match what you're doing on the ground with what you're doing off-site. So those are 4 tips for how to make renewable energy from virtual PPAs more tangible to your key stakeholders.